Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. So, firstly, touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here at the top we have this golden color, and this one is touch areas. So, if you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. I press one time and as you can see, I just increased the volume. To lower the volume, you need to press one time at your left earbud. Press on it, and now, as you can see at this widget, I just lowered the volume. Then we have double press, and let me play some song. So, if you double press on your earbuds, you will play or pause the song. I just pause it, 1, 2, and I play a song. Now let's move to press and hold, and then I will show you triple press. So if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will play next track. As you can see, it works. If you press and hold on your left earbud, you will play previous track. Here we go. Now let's move to triple press, and if you triple press at the touch area on your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have Android, so I will call Gemini or Google Assistant. I set up Gemini at this phone, so I will call Gemini, but you can also call Google Assistant with it. And if you use it on your Apple device, you will call a Siri. So 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, it works. Now the left earbud, let me open the application, I will show it to you. So right here we have game mode, and if I triple press on my left earbud, I will enable or disable game mode. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I just turn on it, 1, 2, 3, and I turn off it. Also, during the call, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times at your left or right earbud. And then you can finish the call also by press 2 times at your left or right earbud. With a press and hold, you can reject the call, and also you can increase or lower the volume with a single press. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.